My name is Anna Tomi, and I'll help you better understand how to use BioAtlas. The first thing you need to do is access BioAtlas. This screen shows all the available modules. To access any of them, just navigate and choose the one you want to interact with. In this space, you can choose the contents of each module. You can also search for content directly in the search bar. When you enter any of the contents in the Help button, you can find instructions on how to navigate and interact in BioAtlas, as well as the available shortcuts. In the left side menu, all the tools you can use are listed. The first of these is More Information, where you can see the description of the content displayed, and in some cases, you can advance to the next animation video. In the Structures Tree tool, all existing structures in the current content are displayed. In there, you can search, select, and even hide structures. The text box allows you to create spaces to make notes whenever you want. Then we have Automatic Rotation, which makes the current content object automatically rotate around its own axis. You can manipulate the rotation as you wish in the Animation panel, including increasing or decreasing the speed of this movement. In the Cut tool, the user can make cuts in the object, and the cut axis can be changed. In the top left corner, we have the Undo option to return to previous actions, Redo to redo the most recent actions, and finally, Reset to return to the default animation state. On the right bottom footer of the screen, we have the Multiple Selection tool, which allows several structures to be selected at once. In combination with the Hide tool, we can hide several structures simultaneously. The Isolate tool gives you the option to hide all structures except the ones you selected. The Focus tool makes the selected structure become the center point of the camera. This way, the movements of rotating or bringing the camera closer will now be made around or towards this centralized structure. The Recenter option places the center point of the camera in the default starting position. The Full Screen tool, as the name suggests, allows BioAtlas to occupy the entire monitor screen. BioAtlas also works on your wireless phone devices through its own app. The interface is adapted to the cell phone screen, but it works in the same way. See how easy it is to use BioAtlas? If you have any questions, you can contact our support team whenever you need. See you next time.